Hey, what's up, guys? Apparently today is the day. Just got an email from FedEx saying that your package is scheduled for delivery today, 2 days early. Kind of caught me off guard, but I'm gonna do my best to give you guys the most detailed unboxing and overview of this new drone. So stay tuned. Holy shit, it is here. Come out with me and get it. Hey, how you doing?
Good. Box for John?
Yep, that's me.
What kind of bird do you call that?
That's a duck.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking something a little more technical than duck, but
No.
okay. Got it.
Alrighty, thank you.
You're welcome.
It is here. Hey, duck. Yeah, you got it. And it is early too. Holy crap, 12:15. We will get this in here. Whoa, baby! Stay tuned. Here's the box it came in. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's in here. Case feels nice, seems small, of course. Set of props. On here. Car charger. Looks like charging bank here. Yep. Strap on. Something else in here. What's in here? Yep, little USB adapter. I can see batteries under there. This is a tricky one. You just pull these up, I guess. One, two batteries. Nice. Yeah, there's no charge in any of these batteries. It's crazy. Keep it dry, baby. Keep it dry. Are we ready for this? Okay, check it out. Controller, nice. Very nice. Do it. Nice new screen, never touched before. Got your return to home button here. Your flight pause button here. And you got your 5D button right here, and on and off obviously right there, and nice removable joysticks like the Mavic Air. It's nice. Your cable comes pre-attached right there. Antennas, they're actually gray also. And again, here's the record button, just like the original, and photo button here. And we got your gimbal dial here, and this here's your aperture shutter button on the Pro model right here. Nice. And then you got C1 button here, so it's customizable, and C2 button right here, and it's customizable too. So, it's nice. You know, your USB video downlink right here. There's your sticks. Nice. 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 Uh-huh. Nice. There's a little rubber texture on this part right here. I don't know if you could tell. That's nice grip. And same thing here. This is like rubbery. Feel that? Very nice. %64 battery. Alright, let's get the quad out here. Oh man, it's got the battery in it, but yeah, it does feel heavy. Oh boy. Oh man, that is awesome bubble. Oh, it's like a spaceman. Hey, I'm a little spaceman. Doot, doot, doot. Nice. Oh shit, man. This is nice. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. We'll have to get the other one out to compare it to. Any power in there? Nope. No power at all on that battery. Okay, so here's your upward infrared sensing system. Right here. Okay, we'll take this off. Okay, let's pull it back. Nice. So nice. So here is one of the sensors for your downward visioning system. This is downward infrared sensing. Here's a set of LED landing lights for landing at night, which is awesome. And here is the other sensor for your downward visioning system. Nice, nice, nice. So over on the side here, we got USB-C port. Under here, we got your little link button. Call it a linkage system or whatever to link up with a controller or goggles. Right there. Oh, these are a little odd. Getting there. Yep. Over on this side, got your micro SD card slot right there. Here's your side obstacle avoidance system or sensing system. And there's your rear or backwards visioning system. So, yeah. LED lights on the front and on the back, which is awesome. I've been waiting for them to do that. I'd really like to see the quad, which way it's going, especially in lower light situations. So here, let's check out this camera. Pull that up there. Huh. It is. It's like a freaking space hood. There it says right on there. Hasselblad camera. Oy oy oy. It's gonna be awesome. Oh yeah, your front sensors right there. I'm just excited, dudes. This is just awesome. All right, what else is in here? Let's open this. What else is in here? Oh, adapter. Little cable adapter. Extra cables. USB-C cable. Another little adapter for your cables. Another cable. Yeah. Props. Extra props. And a wealth of manuals. Sure. Charger. Right there, and power cable for the charger. Nice, nice, nice. All nice. So check this out. Two little notches up there that those sit in. Look, boy, they. Wow. I guess you gotta get used to it. Cool, cool, cool. Wouldn't you know it? I just happen to have the original Mavic sitting here. She is a little bit bigger. A little bit. So there you go. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video of the unboxing of the Mavic 2 Pro. I really got ants in my pants here, man. I want to get out there and fly that thing. So if you did, if you like what you're seeing here and you like what I'm talking about, let me know by hitting that like button down below and subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.